Hello. In the last week, Nifty index remained consolidative in a broader trading range of 11,650 to 11,800 zone. Finally, Nifty closed with some losses of around 0.32% near to 11,710 levels. We have seen a consolidative move in the market from last 20 to 23 trading session, where it has been consolidating in between 11,550 to 11,850 zone. In the last week, it was trying to surpass supply zone of 11,760 to 11,800, but follow-up buying was missing at higher levels. As of now, it seems that market got stuck in a range and require a decisive range breakout. Till it holds above 11,550 zone, overall trend could remain positive, but the conviction and the fresh leg of rally could start on a decisive hold beyond 11,800 zone. In the last week, we have seen underperformance in the mid cap and small cap stocks, which fell down by around 1.5% on index point of view, while Bank Nifty also have seen some profit booking from higher levels. Looking at the fund flows, FIs were net buyers to the tune of around 110 crore, while DIs were buyers to the tune of around 57 crore. So a small buying momentum was seen from the FIs and DIs, which clearly indicates the absence of participations, and everyone is waiting for election poll and outcome from the election result. Looking at the volatility index, that jumped by around 15 to 17%, and now VIX is near to 23-24 zone. Higher volatility clearly indicates that volatile swings cannot be ruled out in the market. So volatility and the momentum of the global market could drive the next move. Looking at the other factor, the crude oil corrected by around 3.25% for the second week and gone to around $70.50 per barrel. So, which is finding some support to the Indian equity markets. Looking at the GST collection that hit its record high in the April month. Auto companies' April month sales has shown slowdown in the start of new financial year. So that is a cause of concern for the auto companies. Yes Bank corrected by around 26% in the reaction of result announcement and rise in its NPA and provisions. While couple of heavyweights and the stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Bata have made the new record lifetime high. So clearly the stock split action was visible in the market. Nifty got stuck in a range while selective heavyweights counter were supporting the broader indices to hold on the higher zone. Key events which we have in this week are China's April month trade balance that is going to be on Tuesday, US March month trade balance on Thursday, India's April month Nikkei service PMI, March month industrial and manufacturing production data that will release on Friday. Looking at the corporate earning, we have result from ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, Vedanta, Titan, Asian Paint, HCL Tech, SBI, L&T, Eicher Motor, and based on their result outcome, stock might see the reaction or the momentum. Looking at the Nifty index, which has got stuck in between 11,550 to 11,850, 800 zone, requires a decisive range breakout. Till it holds above 11,550 zone, it has potential to be in positive to range bound, but fresh leg of rally could start only a decisive hold beyond 11,800 zone. Similarly, the Bank Nifty has been underperforming the Nifty from last couple of weeks, but at the same time it is finding support near to 29,450-500 zone. While on the upside, it is finding hurdle near to 30,000 to 30,100 level. So it requires to hold beyond 30,000, 30,100 to witness an up move towards 30,500 and higher levels, while below 29,500, the immediate consolidation bend could turn into the selling pressure. So 29,500 in the Bank Nifty and 11,550 in the Nifty are key level to decide the next leg of rally in the market for the current week. And higher volatility could continue to keep the volatile swing in the market. Thanks, have a great time.